In this video, I'm going to go through what a terminal is and some essential useful terminal commands that can help you a lot in 61B. So first, let's first try to open up terminal. Terminal, if you're on Mac, it's this black icon. When you hover over it, the terminal, you can either open it this way or you can just search up terminal, and then that will bring you up the terminal interface. So to define what a terminal is, it is essentially a software which you can use to kind of interact with your computer system. It's quite powerful that you can execute a lot of different kinds of commands in order to do all sorts of different stuff on your computer without kind of you clicking into a file, right-clicking to create a new file, and so on and so forth. Okay, so in this video, I will mainly like to introduce you to some of the useful commands that you find yourself using in 61B this semester. So the first one I would like to go over is that in front of the percentage sign, you see the tilde. This actually represents the home directory in your computer system. And in order to print out and know kind of which directory I'm at right now, there's a very useful command, which is called pwd. So let's execute it, which stands for print current working directory. So this is showing that I'm currently at user Linda Dang, which is my home directory. And that's what kind of tilde represent in shorthand. And the second useful command I would like to introduce is cd. cd stands for change directory. If you do cd, usually you follow it with a path. So I want to change directory to my desktop live in tilde/desktop. So that will change my current working directory to be on my desktop. So if I pwd, I see that I'm currently at user/lindaDang/desktop. And also I can cd to one directory up, which is user/lindaDang, by typing cd ... So two periods together stands for you want to go one directory up. And cd ... essentially does nothing. It stays change directory to your current working directory, as period represents your current working directory. So if we execute this, we see that we're still in user/lindaDang. Okay. And the next command I would like to introduce is called makedir, which is mkdir. Makedir allows you to create a directory using kind of just execute this command in your terminal. So first, let's go to this demo folder I made for this demo. One trick or one tips I would like to introduce is that if you're just too tired of typing out the whole path to a directory on your computer, you can just drag and drop it here, and that will auto-complete the path for you. So now let's cd into demo. We ls, we see that there's nothing in it yet because this directory is empty. And now I want to make there a folder, it's called folder for lack of creativity. And we can see that a folder is being created using the makedir command. Let's cd into that, cd folder. And now kind of a useful command that's not a spec, but I think it's quite useful, is to create a new file, which you do it by touch. Let's also open this up to see what's going on. Touch file.txt. So this will create all sorts of different file that you wanted in your file system. So let's try to open it, and then you can write in this file just like normally how you would do it. And another command I would like to introduce is the rm remove command. So, actually, I ran the ls command without introducing it. So the ls command is a command that you can use to list out all the different files, directory that you currently have in your current working directory. So now we are currently in folder. If we run ls, we should expect to see file.txt in it because that's one of the files that exists in the folder directory. So if you run ls, we see that file.txt is being outputted. Okay, so the next command I would like to introduce is the remove command, rm. So rm is a very powerful yet dangerous command. You can use it to delete files and even delete the whole directory. And sometimes if you use it incorrectly, you might delete your whole file system. So I would say use this command carefully and try to double check your the command you're executing before running it or pressing enter. So remove, you can remove a file by calling rm.rmfile.txt. That will remove this file.txt from the current working directory. And let's go up one level to be on demo. And if we ls, we'll see that there's a folder directory. Remember that folder is a folder, not a file. So in order to remove it, you can add the -r tag when you're running the remove command in order to remove a directory. So rm-r folder will remove the folder directory for you, as well as all the files that live in the folder directory. So when we ls again, we see that there's nothing there anymore. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's it. That's all the commands that I would like to demo in this video. Feel free to Google around to see, to learn about more commands that can be helpful for you to play with your computer.